Hey, and welcome to a new video. Sometimes people on my email list respond to my mails with questions. By the way, if you like to get the extra good content from me via email too, just make sure to click the link in the description and give me your email address. I will send you the good stuff, sir. But that's not all. You will also get a 1-hour presentation about the things the most older men make wrong with women for free, so just click the link. But back to topic. So there was this viewer, responding to one of my mails with something like this. Hello Success Animation, I heard that you have to ignore a woman to make her interested in you. What's your opinion about this idea? And what should I say? The short answer is yes. And the longer answer is yes, but most people doing it wrong. So before I show you the good stuff, let's start with the way a lot of men in the best age doing it wrong. So just imagine, you are on the garden party of one of your good friends. There is this woman in her 40s or 50s, and I think we both know which kind of woman I mean. She is blonde, curvy and wearing high heels. Oh yes, this kind of woman. And yes, you are very interested in her and want to play it cool. Thoughts why you ignoring her instead of beginning a typical small talk conversation. If you think you can attract her with only ignoring her, you are really wrong. Why? Because you did it at the beginning of the interaction, so the only thing she will do is to ignore you too. You ignore her, she ignores you. The first impulse of attraction never happens, the end. The next wrong way to do it is not that obviously but also a bad idea. You ignoring her when she is interested. So let's go back to the scenario at the garden party. So this time you walk straight up to this beautiful blonde in her best age, wrapped in her sexy Versace dress, looking at you, talking to her and laughing together. And what should I say? It seems like you like her and she likes you. Intuitive, you are probably going to think that you have to play it cool. But what should I tell you? It's again the wrong time to ignore her. And it is simple to understand, if you think about it. Normally she would not show you her fondness, if you both are not already dating. That is a mechanism women have to save their good social standing or reputation. So she has to overcome her fear of losing social standing, and you answer with ignoring her. You can trust me, she thinks you are rejecting her. So now let us start with the interesting part. What is the right way you should ignore her? With the attention ignoring cycle, it's a mind control technique that triggers the right emotions in a woman's brain. You are going to learn how she will not only feel attracted, no, she will start feeling addiction for you. So, how does the attention ignoring cycle works? First you have to show her a little bit of interest. Back to the garden party example, you talking to her and after you found out that there are some shared interests you say something like, you could probably give me your number. You are kind of interesting. After the curvy blonde goddess gives you her number and walks away, you do not call her for the next 24 hours. The most people without understanding a woman's brain would suggest you to call her in the next 24 hours, but do not do it. And this is where the ignoring starts. The ignoring happens from the point she gives you her number till she contacts you first. After that you probably go on a date with her. And like you probably guess, after that you are going to ignore her again. That is the attention ignoring cycle. The psychologic behind this method is massive. You give her attention and take it away after for a lot of times, and the times you are giving her the attention is really intense. She will start to getting addicted to the attention and will be begging to give her this attention again. I guess now our confident blonde curvy woman in her best age from the garden party is now more like your little attention seeker woman. Congratulations, sir. This roller coaster ride of attention and ignoring brings her to the point where she cannot hide her feelings for longer and tells you that she has strong feelings for her. This technique works pretty well, but of course needs some time. There are a lot of other mind-controlling techniques I would love to share with you, but I am not able to do it in a single video. The best thing you could do is to click the link in the description. It will lead you to a page where you will be able to put your email address in a box, and I will send you a 1-hour presentation that will be very helpful for you. But that's not all. Watch out for the emails I am going to send you the next days. They will be really helpful for you.